I'm at 3200 Franklin. This is the Franklin Lofts building. It's a condominium in the heart of Ohio City. So across the corner there, that parking lot, that is going to be new luxury apartments. And then across the street, that old Victorian, and there's some other buildings right now. They are working on those also for apartment conversions. So a lot happening immediately in the neighborhood. This is an old converted YMCA. And so you'll see signs of that as we head inside. So we've got some new townhomes there, rehab there, more new townhomes. Lots going on in the neighborhood. Lake Erie's right down the street. So we are going to head to unit 106. There's an elevator. And we're heading into the old gym. So you can see the paint from the gym is still on the floor, along with the old maple flooring, scoreboard. So really, really neat place. Let's head in. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo. Really nice sized kitchen here. Tons of counter space. Got granite counters. Everything's looking over the living and dining room area. I mean, look at all this counter space. It's awesome. Got some really kind of interesting lines in the way the ductwork and things were run. Create some really interesting architectural features in the ceiling. Maple flooring in here, just like out in the lobby. So this whole area is set up like a breakfast bar, and that goes all the way around. So you can have stools on either side, however you want to configure things. So this is kind of set up as a dining area here, and you can see the ceiling actually kind of squares it off also, kind of creating a sense of space for that area. And then you have the same thing for the living room. So the ceiling kind of creates that sense of space for the living area. We have a half bath here. And there's a patio. Little deck here. And I'll show you the parking. So this comes with one garage space, and it happens to be right there. So when we went into the unit, if you go over to the right, that's your exit. So the garage is right here. The entrance and exit is right next to the unit. So the space would be to the left of that car in there. An idea of it's the good sized space. Is a real feeling of space in here, which I think is awesome. There's the upstairs. It's all open. Got a coat closet. Stained wood steps going up. Again, we got the maple floor up here. So to the right, it's the owner's suite. Good sized room here. Very nice. Got good sized walk-in closet. Got the ensuite bath. And nice big shower here, tile shower. Very big, nice. Don't need a door. Got bedroom level laundry. And so there's a lot of space in here too. I mean, you could do some cabinets in here, you could do some shelving, really kind of utilize this a little bit better than it is right now. But very nice to have this. Second bedroom is off the gym. So you've got windows and some borrowed light. And this has a switched outlet. So if you had a lamp in here, you'd flip that on and get your light. And your second full bath. So again, we're right on Franklin, heart of Ohio City. Easy walk to Hingetown, Cleveland Bagel, the Harp, all the things in Hingetown. You've got, what do you got down there? You got 2 coffee shops, jukebox, Saucy Brew Works. And then if you head the other way, you're going to the West Side Market, Great Lakes Brewing, Market Garden, things like that. So much within walking distance. Hex, Le Petit Triangle, things like that. This is really kind of in the center of it all. So it's just a great spot to be.